Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my beloved kids. I am going to continue the part one of the Science BTS review. I'm going to review the question. Now, let's move to the next question, number 16. Now, look at the diagram below. The small gap between the rails of a railway track is a space for them to. Now, what's the function of this gap? Celah ini apa sih fungsinya ini? Ya, expand during the night? Apakah akan membesar ketika tengah malam? No ya, because it is cold, not hot outside. Contract during the day, apakah jadi mengecil railway-nya selama siang hari? No, I think it is hot. Ya, tahu konsep tentang heat gain? Heat gain itu adalah ketika penambahan panas, maka suatu objek akan expand, akan berbesar. Contohnya gelas yang pecah. Nah, expand during the day. Nah, ini nih, benar. Akan perbesar selama tengah hari. Karena because the day is hot. Tengah hari itu panas. So, the railway when used in the day after the train passing by or in the because of the hot weather, so it will expand. Ya, so when it expand, it should have the small gap ya untuk menutupi. Contract during the night akan perkecil sampai tengah malam. No, it is right, betul. Cuman ini adalah konteksnya adalah ruangan kosong gapnya yang harus alasannya. Nah, the answer is C. Ya, next number 17. Julie stacked glass P onto glass Q. Q ya, and could not pull them apart. Oh, Julie punya gelas P dan gelas Q nih dimasukin. Ternyata nggak bisa dipisah, nggak bisa dikeluarin gelas P-nya di dalam gelas Q. Biasanya sometimes we can have that situation when we wash the glass ya, the glass. Kita ketika nyuci piring nggak bisa dikeluarin ya kayak this situation. P-nya nggak bisa dikeluarin dari gelas Q. Akhirnya she finally managed to separate them by putting them into a bowl of hot water. What happened? Nah, caranya adalah kita taruh di dalam mangkuk, put it in the bowl, and then we give the hot water. Ya, until we can take the glass P. Nah, sampai kita bisa ngambil gelas P dari gelas Q. Nah, mengapa itu bisa terjadi? Kita bisa menyelesaikan masalah tersebut. Both glasses contracted. Kedua gelasnya itu akan mengecil. No, ya. Heat gain can cause the object to expand. Uh, Penambahan panas dapat menyebabkan objek menjadi besar. Both glasses expanded. Ini benar, tetapi it is not true at all. Nah, glass P expanded before glass Q. Glass P-nya membesar sebelum glass Q. No, kalau glass P membesar duluan, maka glass Q akan pecah. Glass Q expanded before glass P. Glass Q-nya membesar sebelum glass P. Nah, this is true ya. Glass Q-nya akan membesar sebelum glass P. Karena glass Q is outside and to get more heat gain. Ya, until we can take the glass P. Nah, number 18 right now. It was a hot sunny day. John's bicycle tire exploded because he had parked his bicycle in an unshaded parking lot. What happened? Nah, ketika tengah hari, sepedanya John itu bannya pecah karena dia memarkirnya di tempat parkir yang nggak ada atapnya, ya nggak ada atapnya, jadinya panas langsung. Kenapa bisa pecah ya? Why? Nah, karena tekanan dalam bannya berkurang, the tire pressure in the tire decreased, the temperature of air in tire decreased, temperatur udara di bannya mengurang, udara di bannya itu meluas, udara di bannya itu mengecil. Yang mana yang benar? Ini salah ya, tekanan di bannya berkurang, salah. Nah, temperatur udara di bannya berkurang, salah. The air in the tire decontracted, udaranya di ban itu mengecil, enggak. Yang benar adalah this one. Ingat, the heat gain can cause the object to expand. Nah, udara di bannya itu jadi besar, jadi luas. Now, why is there, number 19, why is there a small gap between a window pane and its frame? Nah, ketika when we see the builder build, for example, a door or window, we can see closely that he will build the window frame, and then with the window frame and window pane. But the glass is loose, ya, agak longgar, is a kind of loose in its frame. Why it can be like that? Kenapa bisa seperti itu? Untuk menjaga tangan kita? No. To prevent the glass from breaking when it expands? True. Untuk menjaga kacanya pecah ketika itu memperbesar. Nah, what I have told you before, when we buy a new house, and you can see that the door that we can open, and then the next month when we open it, we cannot open it anymore. Why we cannot open the door anymore? Because the door expands. Now also the glass in the window frame also expand, ya. Nah, seperti itu. Karena panas because of the sunlight. Untuk membuat cantik, no. To prevent the glass from breaking when it contracts, mengecil, no, ya. Mom made a cup of hot tea and placed it in the living room. After some time, the cup cracked. How does this happen? Nah, ibu membuat secangkir teh panas dan ditaruh di ruang tamu. Setelah itu, mangkuk gelasnya pecah. How did this happen? Mengapa bisa pecah, ya? The cup expanded. Cangkirnya membesar. It can probably the cup contracted. No, the cup expanded unevenly. Ya, nah, ini bisa hampir benar. The cup contracted unevenly, mengecil. No, because heat gain can help the object to expand. Itu ya, ingat itu. So the answer is C, karena gelasnya membesar secara tidak merata. So as a result, that cup cracks. Nah, heat transfer without a medium is known as, nah, perpindahan panas tanpa media disebutnya apa? Radiation, ya. For example, when you sunbath your clothes outside by your mother, and then your clothes get dry and has hot, yeah. Well, it can be like that without any medium. It is only from the sunlight. It is called as radiation without any medium. An object that allows heat, number 22. An object that allows heat to flow through it easily is known as, sebuah objek yang memungkinkan panas bisa merambat ya secara mudah diketahui disebutnya adalah conductor. Oke, I think you still remember, ya. Nah, which group of the following materials consist of insulator? Yang mana berikut ini yang disebut yang materi-materinya itu tergolong sebagai insulator? Ingat, insulator, what is insulator? Insulator is that the heat transfer, that heat cannot transfer easily from that object. Now, iron is conductor. Aluminum conductor, tin conductor, rubber, no. Wood, no. Fabric, no. Yeah, this one. Glass, no. Ebonite, no. Aluminium conductor, nickel, and copper conductor. Best conductor is copper. Nah, so the answer is B, rubber, wood, and fabric. Which, number 24, which of the following shows heat transfer by convection? Nah, yang mana yang berikut ini menunjukkan bahwa transfer panas secara konveksi? What is convection? Convection is the heat transfer through the medium of air, and water. Nah, adalah transfer panas melewati media udara dan media air. Nah, badan kita terasa panas badan kita terasa panas di api unggun. No, it is radiation. The occurrence of land and sea breeze. Nah, this one is true. Keberadaan dari angin laut dan angin darat, ya. The electrical iron, gosokan listrik panas ketika kita nyalakan. No, it is conduction. Clothes get dried when we hang them in the sun. No, it is radiation without any medium. So the answer is A. Ya, the answer is A. Number 25. Which of the following is not the source of light? Yang mana yang bukan sumber cahaya? The sun, sumber cahaya. Candle, source light. Eyes, not source light. karena mata tidak mengeluarkan cahaya. Flashlight, ya sumber cahaya. What is type of material that must be used to make a shadow puppet? Mana sih tipe bahan yang bagus yang digunakan untuk membuat shadow puppet? Opaque ya. Why opaque? Because opaque cannot allow the light to pass through. So the light will be blocked and forms the shadow. Nah, karena opaque itu nggak memungkinkan cahaya untuk menembusnya sehingga membentuk bayangan. Light intensity is measured in a unit called lux ya. Lux atau lumen. Ya, lumen, for example, 1000 lumen, 2000 lumen. Nah, seperti itu. Lumen satuannya. Blah 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 is a measure of the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. Nah, ukuran dari tingkat panas dan dinginnya suatu objek itu disebutnya apa? Temperature. Now, when you get hot, when you get fever, so how hot you are, you can be measured by temperature. Ketika kamu panas dan panasnya itu nggak tahu berapa panasnya, kita menggunakan tingkatan temperatur Celcius untuk mengetahui seberapa panasnya sakitnya. Ya, oke. Okay? Lumen, no, lumen is light. Heat is transferred in three ways. What are they? Ingat, masih ingat? What are the three types of transfer of heat? Conduction, convection, and radiation. Radiation without medium, conduction with medium, convection with medium of air and water. Ya, nggak ada expansion ya, no expansion, no intercession, ya, no expansion, nggak ada expansion. Nah, heat gain may help matter to, yang tadi I have explained to you, meningkatnya panas itu dapat menyebabkan zat untuk expand, perbesar atau menjadi lebih besar, mengecil atau menjadi lebih kecil, meningkatkan temperatur, mengurangi temperatur. Nah, ini benar, increase temperature. Ya, tapi ini benar, paling benar, ini benar tapi belum lengkap. Ya, oke. Okay. The answer is A. I think I'm going to continue the part 3 to discuss the essay of this. Okay, Barakallahu Fiik. Thank you very much, my beloved kids. Shukran.